Hello. We are here in Blender, and this is the tutorial of how to upload a from VOLTZ avatar to a special template view. So we start deleting all this stuff and importing the VOLTZ avatar. Doesn't matter if it's a GLB or a VRAM. I'm going to delete the blades because I think it's much easier. We go here, we click on texture view. Okay, so look at here. Right now the avatar is separated, all the parts. You can see the shoes, trousers, jacket, the eyes, tabs, etc. And all the textures are separated. We have to join it all. Okay, so we are going to hide the wig, and then we are going to start joining all the parts. How? Well, with the right click of the mouse, we select join. Okay, join. Perfect. So now we can see here that we only have one mesh, that is this, and has all the textures here. Okay, now that we have all the meshes in one and we have all the textures in one, what we are going to do is reduce to the maximum all these steps. As you can see, there are a lot that are repeated, so those that are repeated we are going to join it. How? Okay, we press tab and we enter in edit mode. Then we go, for example, this first texture is the skin. Okay, let's call it skin, and here we can press select. We see that what we have selected is the hands, and we have here another part that is called the same and has the same texture. We press select again. We can see is the face. Okay, now we go to the renamed material, that is this, and we say it's scene. Okay, right now what we have done is join both textures in the same. So now if we select the skin, we select the face plus the hands, and we can delete the old texture, so we have one less. So this is what we are going to do with all the textures. And this is now we save. So we have right now a lot of less textures, and now we're going to go to the next step, that is join all the textures in the same one. Now what we are going to do is going to a free website. I chosen Canva because it's an easy one, and what we are going to do is use the colors of these textures in the same picture. How? What I'm going to do is select a square, or could be a circle, doesn't matter, and I'm going to use the same color that here has the VOLTZ avatar. For example, the skin, we go here, texture, X, Ctrl C to copy, then we go here, Ctrl V to paste. So here we have the skin texture. Ctrl C, Ctrl U to copy paste. We have another one. Now we want white. we download this file in a PNG format, so we save it, and then we go full screen for here. Okay, what we have to do right now is create a new material, call it, I don't know, all-in-one, and here in base color we click here, we click image texture, and we open the image that we have done before. We go to UWeb editing, select the gallery, select the photo that we have done here, see preview. Okay. So what we have here, this is the new material that we have created with all the textures with the different colors. So we have to join this texture to this one. How? Same as before. We select, for example, the skin. Here we can see skin parts, and we go to all-in-one, assign. As we can see right now it's not well assigned the UV map, so we have to assign it. We select it, we go here, we press A, we scale it down, and we move it to the correct texture. So now, as you can see, it has the right color, and now we can delete the old one. Okay, and now as you can see we only have 3 different textures. That is the tabs, because we need one for the emission, the R scooter, that is this glass, this texture, yep. And the all-in-one texture that if we press it, we can see it's all the body. So we have joined all the textures in just one. So now what we are going to do is export it like a PDF. Now we have to export it. Go here, path copy, we click here, and we export it. We have to download this texture. We go to image, click as, and download. Okay, once we are here, that we are in Unity, we are going to add the asset. We are going to add the textures plus the avatar. Okay, we have here the avatar that you can see. Okay, we have here the textures. As we can see, this texture is not being applied, so we have to create a new material here. Material, let's call it class, and then we have to move the texture to the base map. Okay, we are going to click here on the avatar, and when it sets our scooter here in material, we are going to put and click on apply. As we can see, the material is not glass, so we have to go here. Instead of metallic, let's say it's specular, we have transparent material, and here is back. Now we have the full material working correctly. The body materials plus the glass material. What do we need to do right now? Okay, we go to the avatar, we click here, we go to rig, and instead of generic, we have to select humanoid. Let's click on apply. Once it's done, we go here, create in the avatar a prefab variant. Okay, and this one. When we are here on the prefab variant, we add a new component, call it a spatial avatar. Once it's done, we have everything done. we have to go to special CSQ configuration. We have to create a new avatar. Let's call it Samsung. Where it says prefab, we have to add the prefab, and where it says thumbnail, we have to add this thumbnail. We can create a new one, but it's a mess and I don't think it's worth it. Here in category, we have to be sure that it's in human. When it's done all this, it's an avatar, has the own name, we have added the prefab, it's human, and we have added the thumbnail.